What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. Let's jump right into this beautiful red ombre lip. So I'm starting with the Sephora Dark Horse lip liner. I love this plum color. You can use it on just about any skin tone. And when I do an ombre lip, I like to line my lips from the outer corner towards the middle. Majority of the time I do it this way. Sometimes you may see me go from the middle towards the outer corner, but majority of the time I go from the outer corner towards the middle. And when you line your lips, you want to follow your natural lip line, unless you want a fuller pout, a fuller lip look. But for the majority of the time, follow your natural lip line. So I want to make that clear because some people just make it look crazy. But anyway, the next product I'm going to use is the Boss Lady vegan lipstick. Now this is by the Lip Bar, and I love their vegan lipsticks, y'all. I don't use a lot of product when I wear this lip look because the vegan lipstick is so pigmented, so I don't need a lot. Anytime I wear a red ombre lip, I like to make sure that I line that inner lip as well. Let me get that pink lip because I don't want to smile and then you see red and then you see pink. And I just apply a thin layer of Vaseline on my teeth once I get done with my lip look. So now I am blending the lipstick with the lip liner. As you can see, I still have the ombre look, but I just want that lip to look seamless. Like, how did she do that? So I don't like that sharp line when I do my ombre lips. Now I'm using a concealer to make the lip pop, and I always go with a concealer color that's the same shade as my foundation or one shade lighter. You don't want it to be too light.
Slow, for sure. We both already know your place is my place. Now my place is your place.
Now I'm about to use the Laura Mercier translucent powder. Y'all, I love this product, and I'm using a fluffy crease brush to apply the product. This is pretty much a extra layer of protection when you are wearing a red lip. You want to set that concealer as well. So I am just setting my concealer and I'm loving this look. Okay, like I'm loving it, and you don't have to apply a lot, but it's translucent, so even if you applied a lot of powder, you'll be good. Now girl, look, okay, sis got that red lip, and when the red lip is talking, you don't have to put a lot on your eyes. The red lip is gonna talk. Okay, so now I'm just going to put a hint of gloss. I'm using the Patrick Ta clear gloss on my lip. I don't like for my lips to be too glossy. Have you ever had a bomb lip look and then you get that thick lip crust in the middle? So I'm just keeping it simple and sweet. Make sure you guys are on the lookout for the next two videos. So the next two looks will be a beautiful orange ombre lip and the perfect pink pout. Y'all, those two looks are gorgeous. So if this is your first time watching me, sis, subscribe because the YouTube channel is growing and I want you to be a part of my community. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you on the next Sharde TV film. Bye.
My place is your place. My place. Your place is my place. Just fair.